Hey guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. Thanks for coming back, thanks for watching, thanks for subscribing, thanks for liking, thanks for commenting, and thank you so much for your support. My name is Debbie. For my new subscribers, my name is Debbie. Hello, thanks for coming. And yeah, happy new year, by the way. Happy new year, guys. This is my first video of the year, so happy new year. I wish you all the best. I wish all your dreams and aspiration come to pass this 2019. And yeah, on today's video I'm gonna show you this. Like, it is just, you tell me what do you think. What make okay, let's stop it. So yeah, on today's video I'm gonna show you how to slay 4C hair. And let me tell you something, 4C hair is beautiful, 4C hair is versatile,
4C hair is professional.
4C hair is sexy. 4C hair is dope. Okay, 4C hair is whatever you want it to be. 4C hair can be anything you want it to be. You just have to know how to handle it. You just have to know what to do with it. You just have to give it the love it deserves for it to give you back that love. 4C hair is beautiful. You know what I mean? 4C hair is everything. I want to get a big ass fro, 4C fro, like 4C big ass fro. So 4C hair is beautiful. So yeah, on today's video I'm going to show you how to slay your 4C hair. Okay, short 4C hair at that. And you can go to work with this. Why not? You know, it could be a bit over the top, but you know, we want to be over the top. You know what I'm saying? It can be a little bit, you know, I'm the boss, but we want to be the boss. So yeah, you can go to work like this. Why not? You can go to parties with this, you know, you can go to any like occasion. It is beautiful. Just put some bling in there, you know, some, I don't know, bling, whatever, and you're ready for a party night. You're ready. You know, it's professional, it's sexy, it's everything. This look, I think it's versatile. It's super versatile in my opinion, and I'm loving it. I am loving it. Yes, I can't keep I can't look at you guys straight because I keep looking like that because I just love the angle. I can't be straight right now. Just, you know what, I'm just gonna do the video like this all through. Hey guys, I'm just gonna be looking this way because this is what you need to see. This is what you should be looking at. You know what I'm saying? It is beautiful. But yeah, let me just jump straight into the video and not waste too much of your time, and I will talk to you later. Bye.